Good day. I am Ranami Bagyo Nunez, a student of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. Currently, I am affiliated at San Roque College de Cebu, Cordova campus. So, as part of our journey in understanding research methodology, I would like to share my personal thoughts about what research means to me, along with three topics I am interested in exploring for future research. Let's begin. So, what is research? In my own perspective, for me, research is a process of discovering new knowledge and understanding the world around us. It involves asking questions, gathering information, analyzing data, and finding solutions or answers to real life problems. Research helps us make informed decisions, solve social issues, and improve lives. It is not about reading books or doing surveys. It's about curiosity, exploration, and making a difference. So I choose or I want these three topics. Number one, we have mental health awareness among students. I would like to explore how stress and pressures affect the mental health of students, especially during exams or personal struggles. I believe this topic is important because it can lead a better support systems in schools. The second one is social media and self-esteem. This topic interests me because many young people, including myself, are constantly exposed to social media. I want to understand how it influences how we see ourselves and how we can promote healthy online habits. And number three, the last but not the least, is waste management in our community. I also want to research how our community handle waste and what practical solutions we can apply to improve cleanliness or environmental awareness. So this topic connects to both health and sustainability. So through research, I believe we can discover solution, raise awareness, and create change. So thank you for listening my insights. I hope to learn more and grow as a researcher in the future.